So this is the tree from World of Warcraft, and it is lit up both with LED lights and glow in the dark. It is edible glow in the dark paint, and we've got a black light up here shining on it. We'll show you that in a minute. The trunk is pecan pie cake with a pecan pie filling. And the left side of the top is caramel apple cake with caramel praline buttercream. And the right side is maple bacon cake with browned butter buttercream. There are approximately 4 million leaves piped onto the tree. And you can see the black light glowing. So now this is under black light that it is glowing. There we go. Turning the lights kind of on and off. There's a black light shining on it, so it kind of looks like the tree is lit up from the inside out.